Hello and welcome to Infocom 2010. This is Dennis with Tripp-Lite. We wanted to show you this time our new IP-Addressable power strips. These power strips come in different models where you can choose 15 amp, 20 amp, and 30 amp. They also come in a configuration of 1U and 2U. Plus we also have the configuration of 0U for the back of the rack. As far as outlets, you'll be able to individually control anywhere from 8, 16, and 24 outlets. Best yet, we also have a driver set that has been written by Crestron and AMX. So you can go on their website and look for the driver set, or you can contact us at Tripp-Lite.com and we will be able to give you an IP address so that you can try them out for yourself. Thank you, and we enjoy seeing you here at Infocom 2010.